Go ahead. What? I thought you was going down the slide. Uh-huh. Your butt gonna be all wet. Look at Squeak. Look at your mom. Look at Jay. Are you not happy?
JP sore tonight.
Come on, push it down there. Downhill.
Or you could just like, you know, like.
Look at Squeak. He trying to. Squeak, zip up your coat.
I am.
What's wrong? You ready to go to the house? All right, I'm gonna take you back. I'm gonna take the baby back in the house. He don't want to be a part of us.
It's too much cold.
You have on all these clothes under here.
I still feel it.
And you got gloves on, extra socks on. All right. What? All right, go ahead.